Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa bihi nasta'in wa ala umuri dunya waddin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Excellency Abi Hanif and Linda, I want to explain my meeting. My mapping different types of sneeze. As mentioned earlier, there are many different types of sneeze. We hear them every day. Some people have grandiose sneeze, while others sneeze as quiet as mouse. You may have a friend or colleague who even looks to suppress their sneeze, almost keeping them internal. Many patients wonder why they may sometimes sneeze more than once, or why their sneeze might be louder than others, says Dr. Main. This is often because your body responds differently to allergens depending on the type and amount.
Dr. Haji Hanifuddin and Excellency Dr. Hajah
Other reasons for sneeze variation. Individuals can vary in their sensitivity to irritants and allergens. According to healthy people can also respond to different stimuli altogether. Differences in the sound of sneeze come from with variance in the nasal anatomy and respiratory muscle strength.
Today I want to presentation
Thank
about
you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
my mapping, my